And then just go to movies?
That's what I did. Maybe it's not high def. No, it's gotta be high def. This thing's pretty new.
And then movies.
Titles.
All titles. Or, well, I guess we could go to I through S.
Is that H?
No, I through S. And then go over and just go down through the movies. Well, I mean, wait, action.
That's action. All
See,
titles. We'll try
yeah, all titles.
I'm Dr. Jason Bull. I'm not a lawyer. I'm an expert in what's called trial science. I study the jury's behavior patterns. And I what they're thinking from the beginning. Everything my team learns allows us to assemble a mirror jury.
That is a sad movie.
We'll know when a jury's going to
Meet Before You.
We'll know because that's what we do.
I only saw part of it, but like I came in. There it is. I came in and like cried.
$5.99. Easter egg. Version Disney Epic.